In this video I'm going to show how to fix Facebook login error problem Pubg. In case you're using Facebook login to your Pubg, just watch this video if you're getting this problem. So tap on Google Play Store just like this, and then tap open information. When you select app information, then you're going to select clear cache. Just do that. After doing that, head on back to Google Play Store. Go to Google Play Store, and then the next step would be trying to make sure that our Facebook is up to date. So open Facebook, like in the search area, input Facebook and type Facebook, as you can see right there, and then you have to make sure that your Facebook application is up to date. So if it's not up to date, just make sure you update it. So after updating, just make sure you go to your Facebook application and try to log in. Okay, as you can see, then the next step, after making sure that your Facebook is up to date, then make sure your Pubg application is up to date as well. Then after making sure it's up to date, yes, if you're picking value in this video, just make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family. And if you're a fan of phone tips, tricks, be sure to do so as well, because we upload tech videos weekly, and we help to solve problems that you people are facing in technology. So after doing that, just make sure you updating all those applications. Head on to just phone settings, head on to your phone settings, and then you need to look for applications. You need to look for applications within your phone settings. When you select applications, depending on the phone you have, it might have a different display about this. Then in the search area, then put the application that is Pubg. Put the application and then try to clear cache as well. And then after doing that, just make sure you try to restart the phone and see if this error is solved, and you should be able to head on playing your game very well. So that's the video. If you like the video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and join the family. Please, after doing that, make sure you restart. Exactly. Subscribe if you like the video, and hit like for the algorithm to recommend this video. So thanks for watching. See you next time.